folks. It appears everyone's getting the signal is going out to 1 billion people right now. And you're lucky enough to be watching it. This is right, folks. Streaming. We're there, guys. We're there. All right. Everything looks absolutely strong and healthy. Let's go to chat right here. Wait for that. Bring it down. Chat right here. All right, man. So my guy's a little glitchy. This game is old, bro. This chat also is like, this is the full chat, but I don't know how big I should make it. So we're just going to get into the game. We got to come back. And the reason why is very simple. Because we already have a save right near the... Look at these guys. Look at my Recon fools. Abort. Yes.
Welcome to Tbilisi, gentlemen.
Welcome to Tbilisi, gentlemen. Let me turn this down.
Now that we're here, we got a lot of work to do.
See,
here's the situation.
The chat.
We've been deployed at the request of the Georgian government to help them deal with rebels on their...
We could leave that there now. Now, if I go back, load saved game. Resume campaign. Turn dragon. Load saved game. Resume campaign. Oh, wait. This one. It was the Is it game time? This looks like maybe the newest one.
Welcome to Tbilisi, gentlemen.
No, it keeps starting me over. I don't want to start over because then I got to re-attack.
Seems quiet enough.
The freaking tent camp. We did really good last time, though. Hey, Greek, how you doing, man? Welcome on Twitch. Yep, I got you in a little chat up there. What is up, my friend? I got you right here, too. Lewd Antics, what's up, guys? Guys, we are just experimenting. I got to a point where we absolutely have to start experimenting. I don't want to. I've got it set for really long and wide, so it takes up the whole screen.
We're on the way.
I'm setting my Bravo and Alpha teams up a little closer. And I will be number 3. Sniper boy. I am a sniper boy. I always sing the song for you guys. How do you run? How do you run? Right mouse. Right mouse. Are you affiliate here? Greek, no. I could get affiliate here about as fast as I want to. Problem is, I can't be a Facebook gaming partner and an affiliate at the same time.
We've arrived.
So you can hold the map down and move all at the same time in this game. Yeah, so affiliate's very, very easy to get. I mean, for me it is. I understand some people who are just starting out or whatever. It can be really hard to get affiliate. But for me, already having the amazing foothold in on chess.com on Facebook. Now I swear guys are supposed to walk back down this hill right here. And I don't know why they're not. There's one. No, come into the open.
Kill confirmed.
There's the other one. Okay, those were the... I'm going to save it now. Escape now, save game, new save game. Yeah, we saved the game. Yeah, my girlfriend is trying to get there. It says Greek. Are you affiliate here? Yeah. It can be tricky, but you know what? It's like anything else. If you want to start on Twitch, you got to have a following. So, you might say, well, my girlfriend doesn't have a following. Well, she might have a little following. Like, what if she has friends on Facebook? What if she has Instagram? You need to try and pull people from your other situation to get a hold on Twitch. They say nowadays the old grind being discovered, grinding all day, every day. Hard work, it doesn't pay off. It's not like it used to be back in the day. There's too many people streaming. So I'm able to get the number of followers and the time pretty freaking easy, man. I just streamed a couple times to Twitch. Now, there's no loot in this game, guys. These guys I killed, there's zero loot. I could go over there, and there's absolutely nothing. Let me go ahead and hit... let me bring the guys up, guys. A team is pretty far back. Let's put them here and here. Bravo, get your butt up, and let's just go like right there where all those bad guys were. Okay, now I'm gonna come up. I think there's a guy in this in a nest here, but I feel like he's alone. I saw you stream The Evil Within at one point. I did. I'll tell you guys a crazy thing. Do you enjoy horror games? I love them. Me personally, not. Oh God, he's looking right at me. Right in his eyeball. Oh, he moved. You got it somewhere between the ear and the eyeball, folks. Okay. Now, I think those are the only guys I really got to deal with right here before we attack the tent camp, which is annoying because I've already done it. So, horror games. Yeah, horror games. I'll tell you guys a crazy thing. I keep seeing, like...
In position.
I keep seeing, like, a... It looks like a ghost channel. It was on my YouTube. It was like there were two channels. A Charlie Sardo Gaming and a Charlie Sardo Gaming. The second Charlie Sardo Gaming, like, had videos posted 12 days ago. From, like, from the chess stream. Full streams that I never uploaded. I never restreamed. I never sent this to YouTube. And then it's like, literally says Charlie Sardo Gaming. 12 followers. We have like 516 followers on YouTube. It's like a second account. It's weird. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Yeah, I just don't get it. Okay, well, I think I can come up here. There is also a guy over here. I want to... Oh, we got to reload. Oh, wait, how do you reload? Z is reload. The keys are weird, folks. Could end up costing us in the later rounds. Even within at one point, I am just not a big horror player. That was for the Halloween last year, and it was with Courtney. I'm trying to remember if we did one this year. Early in October, we may have.
Goodbye.
Okay, now, sisters. I like to go down. I like to leave this way after we capture Papa Shabili. And there's no one over here, so now we can bring the troops up, folks. See, I can go to command map, and I have three groups. I have A, B, and C. I am controlling C. He's alone. He's the lone sniper. So I can go to my command map and say, Team A, get your butt up here and look around. And I can also tell them, hey, if you see something, don't shoot it. I can say, Team Bravo, get your butt right here. Look around. But I can say, do not shoot anything. Now, I kind of came from a different angle this time here. I came over to the left. I saw some tent camps. Yeah, so right now, believe it or not, I'm streaming, I think, on four different platforms. And some of them are going to have absolutely nobody on. And that's okay. That's okay. I don't think there's any enemies around here. But I'm actually streaming on a platform called Trovo. I looked and looked, guys. I looked and looked. And really, the alternatives for Twitch is like YouTube, and then next in line is Facebook, and then next in line is like Mixer, and I think not Pipeline, something begins with a P, and I think both of those are discontinued. The next biggest one I could find was Trovo. I don't think anyone's following me on Trovo. That's okay. And let me see. Oh, is there analytics here? No, I don't see any. Okay, well, let's just stay with chat then. This chat over here is probably like way too tiny. What I got to do with this chat is I got to figure out a way to make the background translucent. You know what I'm saying? Right? But I can't. I can't figure it out. I watched videos, guys. I'm going to start recording too, by the way, because we are streaming. I always record locally when I stream, guys. Believe it or not. I record locally when I stream. And that way I always have the videos for myself. Facebook Gaming, God bless them. They delete them over time. But, yeah, so the way to get affiliate Greek is probably for the girlfriend would be, I would recommend promoting it on whatever social media she always has. Same time every day. So hopefully, oh my God.
In place and ready.
There's no way he saw me. Sit back down. What's up, man? Surprised to see you on here. Mr. Rogers! Oh, I stirred him up, guys. Can we get a collat? Look at that. That's a double headshot, but I don't know if you get collats in this game.
Kill confirmed.
Hey! We...
Taking cover.
Come on. Escape. Won't let me save game. Objectives. Won't let me save game. Oh, it's frozen on your screen. Okay. Okay. Let's just try and do something then. First off, they're shooting at my sniper. Let me hit map, see if map works. Map works. Okay, no. It says they're close. It says they're close. I can't see them now. Run. Run back to your friends. Okay. I'm going to leave him like here because I feel like this is safe and in case a weird thing happens. Okay, 2 is B. And I've got a grenade launcher. We stirred up the hornet's nest is a problem. Oh yeah. No. I was trying to do that to reset. Yeah. Okay. Let me alt tab out of there. Get over here. This, maybe we could try switching scenes. We'll come here. We'll come here. Now it's sitting still, but why would it be frozen? Why would it be frozen? What if I stop recording? We are uploading to YouTube. That is one of the benefits, folks. One of the benefits is simple about going to YouTube. They don't delete your stuff. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So it's definitely the game coming over there, but why? Oh, God. And then if I hit escape, this is jacked. Okay. Love it. Let us come here. There we go. And then we come here. Okay, so I might have to... Oh, my God. No. Save game. New save game. No. Okay, I think I saved it. I'm excited for the workshop. Finally cracked 700s. My opponents are becoming more difficult. Mr. Rogers, that is good news. Okay, what I'm trying to do right now, guys, is restart the game. Let me see. I'm trying to restart the game. This game is old. So this is part of the allure and love of playing old games. They're cute. We have 45.1 hours in this game. Those saved games better have worked because I do not want to have to freaking do this again. We already were at capturing Papashvili. We should have walked right into Papashvili. Papashvili is the target of this mission, folks. I hear music in the background. I don't know if you guys do or not. I bet you probably do. Okay. Campaign options. Okay, I can get back to this, guys, in 1 second. Let me just get the campaign. Resume campaign. We'll save game. I think we got it. I think we got it. Okay, now I have to. Now I just have to stretch it to make it the right size, and then we're rolling, and we're back to where we were too, which is actually very good news because we already have opened the hornet's nest. Wait. Come on. Why? Oh, I gotta hit escape too. Just trying to get my mouse over to my OBS. Dude, streaming old games is a trip, bro. Okay. Go here. Okay. Oh, I just get my mouse over to that screen? I didn't. Okay, we got it. We got it. It's a challenge, folks. And look. My head moved. Oh, it's because I'm on the wrong screen. It's because I'm on the wrong screen. Wait. I made this one. This is my Ghost Recon Research. That's good. Good. Okay, that chat is just so big. I just wish there was a better way. But I've got the big chat. This is just for you guys. So I guess, but I still feel like I'm supposed to have a chat. Okay, we're going there. We're going there. We're getting back in the game because I want to capture Papashvili because that is, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's my goal. I'm excited for the workshop. Yeah, we do chess workshops for our low-rated players, and it really helps them. They like literally have come. There are people that have made it all the way. I mean, granted, you know, they started when you start at 200 or 400. There's only 3 there. And then you actually do a little bit of not Ghost Recon work, a little bit of chess work. Okay, I see tents. Looking for the fools. I'm going all the way behind the tents. Can I go behind this on this rock? I don't know. This is just such a hassle. You want to bring everybody with you. If you see when I run, my ret gets really big, and that's where the bullet could go. So then when you stop, the ret gets smaller, and it moves real slow. It didn't say tent camp cleared. It didn't. And if you walk around crouched like a bug, like this, then your ret will stay a little bit more closed. You see how it's a little bit more closed? The thing at the bottom is called the threat meter, folks. The threat meter. It shows which direction the enemies lie. Here's the 3 I shot with the sniper. I don't think you...
Man down.
Where was he? Map. He should be on a map. Okay, he's... Okay. Restart. No, I think we say abort. Yes.
Welcome to Tbilisi, gentlemen. Hope you got some shut-eye on the flight.
I think I know how to do this.
Now that we're here.
Then I go back. Load save game. This one. Start. Okay. Now I know about where the guy is. Yeah, so we do these chess workshops, and they really help, folks. Okay, we got to get back over here to... This is my sniper. Map. So was he there or here? I have a feeling he's over here. I don't think he's coming up the middle, and I think he's the last one. I think the last one's over here. Yep. See the red? He's right here, guys. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. There's 3.
Enemy down.
I was supposed to get all 3, guys. Oh, right here.
Scratch another one. Another kill.
Hey! Okay, escape save. Save game. New save game. Hey, okay. Graybolt says, hi, I want to offer promotion of your channel. Viewers, followers, chatbots, etc. The price is lower than any competitor. Hey, man, that would be normally a, that would pretty definitely be a DM. So I'm not going to Graybolt. Actually, to be honest, I feel like you're probably only here to sell stuff. And so, no, I have 0 idea. Go to dodgeshop.com. Yeah, it's saying a link and everything. Grable. How do I, oh, I think I have ideas. I think I have ideas. I go like this. Go like this. And I bring up, I think I bring up Twitch. Yeah, and this is where, like, guys, with this multi-streaming scenario, we're on Twitch channel, right? Channel, I'm here, right? Yep, I am here. Now wait, I gotta mute this. Yep, I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Stream looks so good on Twitch, man. It really does. There's the chat. Bing, bop, bing. Great, bop, bing. Well, I'm on Twitch as me. Why won't it let me? Why won't it let me control? Why won't it let me moderate, man? Why won't it let me moderate? Who's still here? Who's still here on Twitch? Oh, but you know what? I can't, I'm on Twitch. I'm watching my stream on Twitch as Charlie Sardo Gaming. Why won't it let me, moderate? Okay, let's try this one. Reply. No. Hey, Lewd Antics is here. Lewd Antics is still here. Yeah, I'm trying to, I remember, I guess last time when I went live on Twitch, what I did was, I guess I went live directly from Twitch. No, but I restreamed. How the hell do I delete a comment? Let me go to video producer. Maybe it'll be like, you're live. Broadcasting, original Ghost Recon. Okay, video producer, stream on the air. Introducing guest star, remind me later. Chat highlights, done. Okay, there's that. Now I see my stream. Now I see my chat. Yeah. Okay, wait, now we're gonna see if we can take this guy. No. I can't. There's no way, how the heck? You know what? I'll get it figured out. Right now, it's not the end of the world. Right now, the goal is to simply capture Papa's feeling. And that's what we're doing right now. Okay. Back to Recon. Okay, this is done. Now, we have to go here. Command. We have to bring Group A.
Goodbye.
What? Who the hell did A just kill? Who'd they shoot? Did you hear that? He's all, goodbye. That means A shot somebody. You shot me. Okay, tab, command. Let's get, we want to come across the top. I think we're safe here. So let's go like right here, looking this way. Let me go to number 3. And then we'll go to number command map. A, you can go.
We're on the way.
Command map, Bravo. You will get your butts right over here too and look this way.
We're on the way.
I will run the sniper up there, guys, because we're all going to the same place. We're all going to the same place to capture Papashvili in the caves, folks. To the mines, to the mines! Papashvili is guarded by a guard. And if you goof around, the guard will 1,000,000% kill Papashvili. Another thing is,
We've arrived.
people freaking spawn once you get Papashvili. So I want to set up the perimeter. There's bad guys, but I don't think they're here. Well, it says there's one here. There's no way. Oh my god. I don't know why it said there was one right here. I mean, it didn't actually say, but see how my thing says to the right? Okay, and these guys here, I guess, are the guys in the tent. One thing about the pistol, you drop a fool. It take a couple shots. This game, you can't jump, you can't mantle, you can't loot. If there's a rock, you can't go over the tip of that rock. You got to go around it, folks. Okay, let's switch. And now we know we're safe to this point. So we can hit tab, command map. I can tell A, who's way back here, you can get your butt up here and look this way. Bravo can get your butt over here and look this way. Now, we got the sniper rifle. So we're kind of checking the highlands and the lowlands. If we can anything we can kill now, is one thing we don't have to kill later. Now, I think there's bad guys over here to the right, guys. So we're gonna, yeah, they're kind of like around here a little bit. As a matter of fact, to be exact, this is not fiction. This is all fact. Maybe right here, in case, because sometimes they'll come around. So let's go here. Let's go to 1. Or no, let's go to 2, and then we'll go here to tab map command. Now watch what I can do. I can tell my sniper to hold where he is, and I can tell him. Wait, I wanted sniper boy though. Command map. He is the sniper boy. And he's gonna look straight that way. Okay. We're gonna go to number 2. And we gotta stand up like I stop being like, oh my god, that guy scared me. Dude, Daryl Edwards, you almost got freaking capped, bro! You almost got capped. Okay, now we are heading, oh, we gotta, we're gonna hit this, and we're gonna reload that. Probably not using a whole bunch of rocket launcher, folks, but hey, we have it. It's available. We may as well use it. There's a sniper. He's supposed to be looking this way. Let's get the A team up here. A team, command A, and let's get them like over here looking this way. There we go. We need coffee, folks. Welcome to the Coffee Cam. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I play all kinds of different stuff. Guys, this Sunday, 12 hours of streams on Sunday. I start at 9 a.m. That's probably going to be some stuff, like some Warzone, maybe some of this, some fun stuff. Chess stream starts at 3, tournament starts at 4. The long tournament, the 15 plus 10 long tournament, 5 rounds. It's going to be a little over 3-hour tournament, longest tournament we've ever had. Come play, guys. Then Elden Ring After Dark. Sunday night. I can't wait for that. We have not played Elden Ring in so long. Okay. Now, I told you there's bad guys. Watch my red. Watch my down in the bottom center. When it turns red, there's people really close. Now, I can still... There's one.
Enemy sighted.
Okay, now, his sister probably knows that I shot him. But I don't know where the sister is. He could be right behind this rock straight ahead. He could be behind the rock on the left. I'm kind of... There's like 3 different spots I'm opening up right now to where I could get hit. Yep. Okay, he might be behind this rock right here. I don't want this... Let me look at the map. Okay, I don't see him. Oh, okay. The, I think the red dot is people in the tent. I think the red dot is people in the tent, folks. Oh, God, no. No! He killed us both. Did we save?
Welcome to Tbilisi, gentlemen. Hope you got some shut-eye on the flight from Bragg, because now that we're here...
Okay, load save game, that one. Start. We need coffee. Okay, cool thing about coffee is my hair is cray-cray. Great. The best part about coffee today, folks, is we get to go to the coffee cam. Check out the coffee cam, folks. We bought the coffee cam to celebrate 100 subscribers. Now we float between 250 and 300, not even counting gifted subs, folks. A lot of repeat customers here. At Charlie Sardo Gaming. Hey. All right, guys. We know that we screwed that up, and I'm guessing that was a. Enemy. Okay, I want to clear. What do we got here? Where are we? Tab. Command. Yeah, we're way back here. Okay, Alpha. You can come to here. No. No. 1. Alpha. Where are they? Map. We just saw them. Are they coming up? There's one. I don't have my headset on. Is that all of them? Map, M for map. I'll tell you, yeah, I gotta put the headset back on, guys. I can't hear anything. Okay, that was crazy. Those were little pathers, guys. Those little pathers. My alpha killed. Oh, wait, we're not even there. Got you. Love. I know, I feel sorry. Now we're gonna get a comment. That's a good way to get comments, right? Oh, wait. We don't do it like that, though. We've got the one with the chat over here. That's a way to get, oh man, I'm so surprised that people don't do that on purpose. I had the coffee cam on while I killed Commander Nail, and chat was going absolutely crazy. I can't imagine the frustration they're having. It literally starts out with, "Oh my God, I melted the ads." Commander Nail is a Elden Ring situation. And I'm surprised that people don't actually do that. Okay, do that on purpose. Just to get some type of reaction. Bravo. Just get your butt over here.
On our way.
Charlie, you don't have to hold anymore.
I hear you.
You better hear me, buddy. I'm talking to you. Okay, now I am number 1. We are going to run over there ourselves. We're going to get closer, and then we're going to save. We're going to save. We're just going to, guys, don't be mad at me. Horror games, you were asking me about horror games, Loot Antics. You know what? I used to feel like I didn't like them. Nowadays, I would say it's a little bit more so that...
In place and ready.
Ooh, no, not that way. We got to come this way, right? Yeah, we're going the wrong way, buddy. You got to go up the hill. Now, I'm like, I don't dislike them. I'm not in love with them. I kind of like watching some people play some horror games, though. Like, Like Optic Big Timer. But see, he's one of my favorite streamers. When it's your favorite streamer, you can watch him do anything. People tell me that all the time, right? They said, man, I would hang out. Are you live right now? I guess so. Luigi Severin, I am. Luigi, how are you doing, man? Are you new? Your name, I'm trying to, I know a few Luigis, but the last name Severin, I'm not sure. Emma Rogers says any option to sub on here, or I'm overlooking it. On Twitch, I believe it's called follow. I believe it's called follow. Subscription on Twitch is like subscribing on Facebook with the $5 a month. I don't have that open on Twitch yet, by choice, to be perfectly honest. Because I'm a Facebook gaming partner. Okay, that's why I'm not streaming to Facebook right now. There's rules, all kinds of rules. But you can follow or like maybe the little heart on Twitch. On YouTube, you can subscribe, but that's free on YouTube. The sub is free. But that's like follow on Twitch or Facebook, I think. I don't see other people in chat. Are you live somewhere else too? Luigi, yes, I am. And if you actually look, I'm trying, forgive me, to make this chat bigger, but up above me, that is the complete chat. And so it's like, I would imagine if you were watching, let me see. I would just imagine if you were watching from on a phone, for instance, which everything should be completely phone friendly, right? You'd never be able to read that. Yeah, I put that bigger, but I don't know. Oh, I think I have to refresh the case things. They said, okay, all chat. Wait. I'm trying to make it bigger for you. Not that you even asked me to refresh case of current page. It's still small. It's still small. I deleted all my chats. Okay. Yeah, so I am live on a few different platforms. I'm live on YouTube, Trovo, Twitch, and what happened to the other one? Well, I got to get back in the game, man. I'll tell you something, guys. This is going to be a 1,000,000% learning experience. The streaming thing, it's funny because you stream, you try and get better at streaming. Okay, wait, that is dashboard restream here, and that is chat. Settings. Yeah, I made it bigger. It didn't make it bigger. Oh well. Whatevs. I'm killing Papashvili right now. So, but thank you for asking. Yes, and this chat in the upper left. Someone just said good afternoon. Yep. Stuart, how you doing, man? Yeah. So Luigi said yeah, no. Okay, cool. Yeah. So you're just watching on YouTube, man. Yeah, I have more content on my YouTube channel too. Definitely want to check that out. Okay, we've got all kinds of stuff there. If you have any interest in chess, I have the best chess community in the world. So let's see how this is working good. Okay, that's all okay. Now, this is the A team. I feel like I want the B team, but I'm going to bring them up a little bit. Yeah, I do. I want, yeah. Command map. A team, command map.
Orders received.
You could come here and look this way.
Moving out.
Charlie team, you could do the same thing. Right here and look that way. And then I am going to be the Bravo team. And the Bravo team needs to get to work because Bravo team is slacking behind, man. I gotta climb this hill. I loved this game. Luigi, wasn't it great? I'll tell you this. Like I said, I mainly stream on Facebook gaming. But you definitely want to follow me here and definitely follow me on Twitch. But I'll be live later on Facebook gaming streaming chess. My chess stream is awesome. Now there was one guy here last time. And we ended up getting a shot from an opening in the cave. Okay, here's what we're going to do since we're all here. Check it out, guys. Hey, the gang's all here. Hey, save game. New save game. The old Rainbow Six games were fun also. Yeah, I played, after this, we had a great fiasco. I think I still have... Yep, see, here's where we got shot. We had a great fiasco in our clan where our leader... I think I still have a screenshot of the leader of our clan. Punkbuster was the name of the anti-cheat. And it said his name, and then it said, like, wall hacks or something. And his Raven Shield account got banned. Stu Ritt says, good dude, just passing through, have a good one. Stu Ritt, thank you, man. And I'm sure you already follow me on Twitch, and that's why you're here. Stu Ritt, thank you. Okay, so, we already saved the game. There's one. Nope, that's not one. Someone came out of here and shot me.
Kill confirmed.
You guys want to just finish Papashvili? I'm going to. Escape! Save game, new save game. It's only one kill, guys, but I'm telling you. It could be, now, I could do this. And they have hacks for this. Like, you guys might call them hacks. But this night vision is so grainy, and your screen sucks, your screen gets smaller so bad, that it was just pretty much common knowledge that it was okay.
Goodbye.
To get the... Well, I thought that was a walkway. It's not. That it was 100% okay to save game, new save game. To download the hack for the night vision, which made the screen full screen, and see the grain? See how it's kind of gray? It was crystal clear. It was a very small hack, but everyone used it. Everyone used it. Anyone that didn't use it, you know, you would tell them how to use it.
He's history.
Okay, wait. Escape. Save game. New save game. I'm only doing this because, man, I want to get past this Papashvili garbage. I think there's another entrance over here. I got... Why do I feel like there's a second cave entrance and there's not? I'm a tripper. I'm not a trooper. I'm a tripper. Okay, so I guess we're going in the only cave entrance that we're aware of. The last Rainbow Six game I played was N64. Raven Shield was like, I think, Rainbow Six 3, and I loved Raven Shield, guys. Here's a problem with this. You need like one brain or the other. You need either the... Oh. Is this... Wait. Is this the room where he is? This might be it. There's the guy with the gun.
Kill confirmed.
Okay. Caves are concerned. Okay, wait. We're in here and we got Papashvili. Now.
Prisoner secured.
Tab command. Alpha, get your butt over here and look this way. And by the way, you could kill stuff if you see it.
I hear you.
Sniper boy, get your butt over here and look this way. Okay, we gotta try and get out of here now.
We got a casualty.
I just died.
Prisoner secured.
Иди сюда, помоги.
Kill confirmed.
Not exactly the best gun for this.
Lost a man.
Escape. Okay. We're going to abort. Yes.
Welcome to Tbilisi, gentlemen. Hope you got some shut.
The last Rainbow Six.
Now that we're here,
Wait.
we got a lot of work.
Come here. Load save game. This one. Start. Okay. Okay. We're going in. We are so close. We are in the cave. We are in the cave. I'm in the cave. I don't know where or what I'm doing. We kill these guys. Okay, this is it. Now here's what I want to do. Command map. A, get your butt like right here and look this way. And you may just shoot stuff if you see it.
Fire at will.
Fire at will. Soldier. Command C. I want C over here looking this way. But I'm going to have to check him. I'm going to have to check his word. So right now, if you look at the map, I just sent those guys to move to new locations, and then a little flashlight says which area they're going to look. And if they see anything, they're allowed to shoot it.
We're here.
Now I got to go to number 3.
Enemy sighted.
Who sighted? Who said that? Oh, God.
We're here.
Who said enemy sighted? Bravo said enemy sighted. Okay, now he's going to be right here. We're going to kill him. And we're going to save. Escape. Save game. New save game. Okay. Now, come this way.
Prisoner secured.
We got him. But now they're coming this way, guys. At least they did. Okay. Wait. Map. Charlie. They're right there.
Goodbye. He's history. Goodbye.
Okay, I didn't put my sniper. Oh, there's one. No! He's right here, guys.
He's history.
Escape. That's a lot of good kills, guys. Save game, new save game. Okay, let's get back to number 2. Yeah, I can hear Papashvili chit-chatting with me. How do we get out of here? Wilma, get me out of here! Guys, I think we're clear. Okay. Now, that was the first wave of fools that come at you, bro. I have to do all this running, so here's what we do. We go tab, command map, alpha,
Acknowledged.
get your butt over here, cover my butt. He was a sniper boy. I want you to come this way. And you can come all the way back here, and he can look down here. Because we are taking the southern route. We're going west by south. We got to go back. Yeah, this game got me. It was my second viral video. The first one was when I was waiting for my brother and my sister to meet me.
In position.
To meet me, oh, wait. No! Where's Papashvili? Oh, he's with us. Okay, good. We're not leading with our freaking hostage, guys. That was not smart. But my brother and sister were coming from California to visit. And let me tell you, I was excited, and it just showed. The excitement showed. And because of that, that video went viral. Then I was playing this game. My second viral video, guys, was this game right here. And the reason why is because everybody tagged. People tagged people. People made comments like that, Old Rainbow Six games were fun. I loved this game. Luigi, you were new, right? He said, yeah, YouTube, right? See, so I think Luigi, guys, is like completely a new viewer from YouTube, which is absolutely amazing. You say, what do you mean? Whoa. For me, a new viewer that I would never have previously had a chance to get is freaking mind-blowing and amazing to me. That's cool. And it's because of Ghost Recon. It's because he saw Ghost Recon. He's like, I loved this game. This was a great game. Okay, this is a pretty good overlook. So I think we want to bring our sniper right to here. We can lay down, though. Not reload. Everybody lay down. We'll see. Tab, command map. See, I say C. I tell Sniper Boy, get right here and look and overlook this way. We also will bring the A team. We'll bring them here. And they'll look this way. I don't know if they're going to be a little bit exposed right there or not. Looks like they probably won't be too much. I'm going to look around a little bit more. I am leading with my hostage. Guys, you should not lead with your hostage. I don't see anyone. But as we get closer, I think more things pop.
In position.
But yeah, this game, like brothers were tagging brothers. Friends, neighborhood. The kid that lived next door was tagging the kid that lived next door. I mean... Yeah, there's the guy we killed from up there from the distance. Okay, we are going to now move a little bit forward. And we're going to pretty much ride the outskirts of the map, folks. And we've done so much running. Okay, it won't let me over there. We've done so much running. You know what we're going to do? We're going to save the game. Escape. Save game. New save game. That's just a save time. Last Rainbow Six game I played was on N64. I'll tell you guys, if some of you guys know me, I have never played a console game. I don't play console games, guys. I've never been a console player. Okay, I kind of like where the sniper is. So let's bring Alpha Team down ourselves and push into a forward observer situation. Probably not smart. We should probably be sending the sniper. Problem is, I think we might come across some fools. So, how the hell can I go to Twitch? Can I, as my Twitch, Charlie Sardo Gaming, on Twitch, directly on Twitch, I have the stream up. I'm there as Charlie Sardo Gaming. I see a comment, and it does give me options to delete the comment. Is that not weird? Is there anyone watching Twitch that is,
Goodbye.
that was not exactly what I was hoping for. You guys could come back here a little bit and be a little safer. Hello. Save game, new save game. I say we, Tab, I say we bring the sniper to where we are. Because this is a pretty cool little spot.
On our way.
And Bravo team can also sneak up, like right here. You will look that way.
Moving out.
Okay, so we're bringing our guys closer. Now, I think there's guys near the extraction. Let us not be overly confident and expect that there's no more enemies before the extraction. Although, I feel like maybe this is it. Lewd Antic says N64 was awesome. I have just got into PC gaming, been console my whole life. Yeah, Lewd Antics. And Lewd Antics, I'm sorry, who are you again from the chess stream? Or from Facebook Gaming? That was a tree. I thought I saw a bad guy. We are riding the edge, folks. We have some high ground. I'm watching my ret. Now, I feel like bad guys sometimes spawn here. I don't see any, though. You're Louis Farrow. Okay, hey, Louis. I'm gonna try this. I don't think it's gonna work. Do you mind if I try and add you as a mod on Twitch? I want to go to my Twitch page and just see if I can figure out the option. Yeah, this is a good place for a sniper, too. So let us, all you fools can lay down while I do this. And like I said, there's no obligation or anything. I can unmod you later or whatever if you don't want to be a mod on Twitch. I just, I want to check and see if I can. Bravo team, you can get your butt right up over here. Maybe watch that way. That'll be great. They're bringing up the enemy. Yeah. I just had to be sure I knew who you were, Lewis, before I did that. Lewis Farrow, you've been around. We don't have like a really deep personal relationship, but the relationship I have with Lewis Farrow tells me if I need to test putting a mod on Twitch, Lewis Farrow is probably okay. Okay, let me see it. All my teams are running. They're all running. So let me see. Okay, I don't see an answer. I'm gonna assume the answer is yes. Like I said, it won't cost you anything or be any hassle to you. Stream manager, I've got chat. Lewis Farrow. Why can't Lewd Antics? Follow. Whisper. Block. Mod Lewd Antics. Hey! I think I did it. Now. Lewis Farrow, if you're still here, scroll up. See that comment from Grable69 where he was trying to sell something? I can block him and report him. Maybe I'm not modded. Am I not modded? Let's start here and say we. Maybe I can mod myself. Charlie Sardo Gaming. Do I need to mod myself? Huh. It doesn't appear that I can mod myself. So Lewis Farrow, did you hear me? Can you hear? You hear me? Hear me? I have been a sub for over a year now. I don't really chat much, but I'm from the UK. When you stream chess, it's late. Right. In the evening. It's late in the evening, and I am shattered. Oh, Lewd Antics. Well, thank you for being here on Twitch. And Lewd Antics, I just made you a moderator, I believe. So, if you and I can leave it if that's okay, but you could you should be able to click the little three dots by different names and stuff, and you might have options. And if you could scroll up and see Grable69 NVX where he said, "Hi, I want to offer a promotion." I wanted to delete that, but I can't. As a matter of fact, is there a way that you can go up to his name, hit the three buttons next to it, and delete him? Or actually, you could literally ban him if you want to, because he came in self-promoting, right? If you don't want to, it's okay, man. I'll unmod you. Like I said, there's no obligation. But I wanted to see if I could, and I just did, and it appears to have worked. So you, as of now, are an official moderator on the Twitch. But like I said, I can unmod you instantly. Normally I ask people if they want to be a mod. Come on. Get me back in the game. Ask people if they want to be a mod. We go through a whole what happened? Huh. Okay. The game crashed. That's fine. We'll just load it right back up. We saved. Yeah, thank you for being a sub, by the way. I very much appreciate that, Lewis Farrow. Yeah, I know you've been around. I'm sorry that you missed the chess streams, but you catch the replays, right? That's one thing about me. A lot of people watch the replays, guys. And it's weird because... Now, let's go to options. No. Let's go to... campaign. Resume campaign. Load save game. Right there. There we go. Start. All right, good. You have no problem with that. I have just banned and message is gone. Hey! Thank you, man. And I'll tell you one. I'll give you the speech all the mods gives, because it's like I don't want your experience. Wait. Okay, we didn't save since we ran this way, so we got to go this way. Did we? Those are the guys we just killed, so I think we're clear. It's like I don't want my mods experience to change, but sometimes it just has to. But I tell people, but the rant on in mod, yeah, here we go. The rant in mod in the mod group that I have is don't argue with anybody. If you're arguing with somebody, you're doing it wrong. It's like someone cusses, you can snooze them for a couple minutes. You don't have to say like, no cussing. You can. It's not the end of the world. But I'd rather have people just, someone cusses, just snooze them. You know what I mean?
We're gone.
If someone posts a link and says, hey, come check out my YouTube, just ban from page. Just ban them. It's no big deal. Because if you accidentally ban my sister, I can unban. If you, Louis Farrow, accidentally got banned, I'd be like, oh, no. Louis Farrow's he's not an idiot. There was a mistake. You can't ban him. And I would go back and I would unban you.
We're here.
You know what I'm saying? That is, it's like, you know the flow of my stream. Flow of my stream is keep it light, have fun, don't put people down, don't be rude. And let me look at the map again. Is everyone here? Oh, they're not even here yet. Come on, B. Okay, let us go ahead and say tab. B, get your butt over here.
Understood.
I put them on get your butt there. Now watch. Now they're running fast. Understood. Yeah. Okay. I feel like no, B can watch your own back. When B gets here, B can watch your own butt. Watch. I'm going to say B. Oh, nope.
Holding.
No, don't hold. Continue forward. And B, you could come like right here. And you can watch this way. And you can watch Sniper's back. Sniper boy, I feel like he is looking the wrong way. Bravo. Move. Okay, now we're going to move a little forward. There's probably going to be some enemies near the extraction point, folks. Dude, imagine 2001. This game was over the freaking top on the graphics and the gameplay. It was like, no way, this is so fun. Okay. The extraction zone is straight ahead over there. Sometimes there's bad guys all the way to the left of here, too. That's a lot of times a way I will, stirring them up.
Kill confirmed.
Okay, let's get out of the street. We just woke him up. This might not be the move, guys. Extraction, I think, is down there. And bad boys, I think, are over here. Oh, no! They're close. Okay, I backed up a little bit. Escape! Save game, new save game. Okay, good. I promise not to let the power corrupt me. Yeah. No, thank you, man. Yeah. Absolutely. Appreciate you having here, man. Matthew Corder, Travis Litch, Anthony Porcio. I think those are all from... I need to get some Twitch type alert stuff going on here, folks. Now, if I were to... No, we're gonna finish this. We're gonna finish this, guys. Tab. Command map. Soldier. Sniper boy. God, I guess I could put him here. And I guess Bravo, I can bring you up to cover his back. See? Oh my god. Map.
In position.
Why can't I see him on my map?
We're here.
I have a feeling he's like right here. Oh god, no! He's like laying down right here. Nope, he's right there. Hey! Dude, I'll tell you the benefit of doing the save game. Because everybody comes home alive. Everyone comes home alive, they get a talent point, it makes them stronger. Yeah. Alright, man. Save replay, view replay. They have a replay option on this, man.
We've been tasked for search and rescue. The Navy's been flying sorties against rebel positions.
Rescue pilot. Oh, this is a great mission, man. This is the farm map.
Lucky with a SAM and took out
This is really big for snipers too.
the pilot.
I have to bring a demo.
Both bailed out before
I have to bring demo because I have to
their beacons. They're being held for interrogation.
I have to bomb F-18 that landed.
Your
Plan a
job
demo charge.
is to go in and bring
Blow
them
up the
back
plane.
alive. Recon photos show the F-18 is still largely intact.
Don't jeopardize your main mission. The main mission is what?
Demo charge-
Oh, the freaking pilot is in the
Don't
house.
jeopardize your main
The
mission.
pilot's in the
And
house.
try to minimize Ossetian casualties. The Russians are already making a big stink at the UN about us being.
Go in.
We don't want to give them any more ammunition. If Moscow decides to intervene,
Wait.
we're going to find ourselves smack in the
Your job.
war.
I was just reading. Your job is to go in and bring them back out alive. Recon photos show the F-18. Okay, bring them back alive. Don't jeopardize. Minimize Ossetian casualties. Well, yeah. Look at this guy. This guy. He has a talent point. Combat point 1. Weapon, stealth, endurance, leadership. I never know what to do, man. I never know what to do. I am so not a stealth ghost recon kind of person. Okay, there's that. You don't have to apply, I don't think. This guy's got a point too. This guy's a little bit older. He's got better stuff. Let's try because we're running forward with our A team. Okay, now the B team, definitely we want to get a little bit of weapon action going on the B team. Their demo boys said, "See you later, boy." And Sniper Boy, weapon stealth. His weapon is fine. We're going stealth on weapon on him too. Does this guy get points? No. See, those guys all finished that mission. Oh, they're not on there. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah. We're going back to the right thing. I had to. All I did was apply a couple talent points to my team. So let me get back over here. Okay, and then we will get to the correct. Yep, and we are totally learning how to do this the right way. Bing, bing. There we go, and it's called Ghost Recon Restream. There we go, and then that game will come back right up. Okay, now this one I would think might not take as long as the next one. This one, to be perfectly honest, I don't know. I just know we applied all our points. Oh, Demo Boy. We need Demo Boys to have... Wait, he's a rifleman? And support? No way. He is a Demo Boy. We got to X him. And this guy, we're going to X him too. We are going to go to Demo Boys. Demo Boy, he's got a bomb. We're going to set him into B. And then this Demo Boy, we're gonna, you know what? We're bringing plenty of bombs because we're finishing the mission, and everyone's coming back alive though. Why am I being like careful? Hunt in you. Let's go. All right, guys, we're going in.
Going to night vision.
If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I'm restreaming on multiple platforms right now. Trovo. If anyone has said anything on Trovo, that would be a trip. It's funny that it appears that, oh gosh. Yeah, I remember now. And the bad guys kind of come from this way. So, command. I'm going to say Bravo. You pretty much stay here. Sniper Boy, this is a hill. Sniper Boy, I kind of want him here looking this way.
We're gone.
Bravo, you can come forward here too. Like here looking this way, I guess.
On our way.
I'm number 1. We're riding the fence, folks. Riding the fence. My team is running. This is where we definitely would want the full screen night vision helper file. It's not a hack, guys. It was not a hack. It's a helper file.
In place and ready. In position.
All the helper file did was make this entire screen a little bit cooler because it was full screen and the grains were gone. And I feel oh, there we go.
D's history.
Escape. Save game, new save game. Sorry, folks. I ain't scared to save the game because I've been here a million times and I know what it's like. You don't know what it's like if you're watching on Twitch. Definitely want to hit that follow button. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe. It's free. So if you're watching on Trovo, say hello and follow or subscribe or whatever you do on Trovo. I ain't talking smack. If you're watching on Twitter, hey man, help a fool out. I'm trying to get some Twitter going on. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I want to bring my command map. Let's bring Bravo up. Down in the gutter is rather safe and look this way. Charlie, get your butt up to me and look this way. And we now will use our sniper to pick off. Oh God, there's 3. Got. I want to sneak up. I'm gonna open up the worm, guys. The can of worms. Okay, we're going to number 3, folks. Number 3. They're starting to walk away. That's not good. Okay, X's lay down. Dude, they were all in the freaking public view. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Start your patrol. I hit him right before he goes in.
Goodbye. He's history.
I don't think I got them all. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. They're a million freaking miles away. You can't even see them. Abort? Yes. Where did we save it?
Rescue. The Navy's been flying sorties against rebel positions from its
Okay, let's go back. Load saved game. This one. Start. I promise not to let the power corrupt me. Okay, that's good. That's good. Makes you wonder if all the chats are absolutely nailing it. Where am I? Oh yeah, we just killed these fools right here. Okay, what if those 3 guys are so close together? I just feel like there's no point in not just killing them with a grenade. Over here.
Man down. D's history. D's history.
Okay, I think we did pretty good there. We lost a man. What do we do, guys? Do we reload? See, what happened was... I decided to, well, no, one of my dudes shot. One of my dudes shot, guys. Right? So now the question is, what do you do? Do you start over and just do that perfect? Because I feel like I want that guy to be alive, guys. I feel like I want him to be alive. Looking. Come on. Where is that window? These are these windows. There we go. Thank you. These analytics are the things. Chatters. Guys, I'm just looking at stuff. Let me try refreshing this. No. Wait. Try refresh again. So I think I'm gonna just reload. Oh man, it's like one or the other. Here's the problem with these games. These freaking guys get freaking they just die so fast, man. That's why, like, I always want to take one guy, one of the men, and go forward and kill everything myself. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's the move. Because if you move forward with your team, they get freaking killed. Okay, abort. Yes.
We've been tapped for a search and rescue.
We are 100% going back. And as much... Oh, wait. Wait. Load saved game. This one. Start. Okay. I'm just bringing a sniper. I'm only bringing a sniper, guys. Yeah, we killed all these fools. Now, sniper is going to clear the whole field. Or at least stir them up. Or at least stir them up, folks, to where, now, last time I got here, they were all right there. Here they are.
Kill confirmed. Goodbye.
Where'd he go? I'm dead. Oh my god, he can't see me.
Kill confirmed.
Escape! Save game! New save game. Hey! Find love on the best dating. Okay, there you go. Hey, Loot Antics, if you can catch that one, grab it, man. Are you here? If you want to. Definitely need to ban, delete and ban or whatever you did before. That would be awesome. Are you having fun? Shh. We don't get this much action on the Facebook stream because people know. I don't think that's on Twitch. Is that on YouTube? Oh, it is on YouTube. No. Okay. Now, let me pull up my stream on YouTube. Wait for it. Switch account. Start up gaming. Yeah. Now I will go like probably YouTube Studio because we're supposed to be live. I believe we're live on YouTube. It says create. Am I not live on YouTube? Let's try Cherry Sardo Gaming. Cherry Sardo Gaming. Ring. Original Ghost Recon. It says live. One watching. Cool. I'm there. Cherry Sardo Gaming. Ring. Original Ghost Recon. It says live. One. Okay, let me make it big screen. And let me hit escape. Get some chat up. Find the best love. Ring. Original Ghost Recon. It says live. One. Okay, let me make it big screen. Pin, report, remove. Up. Find the best love. Put user in timeout. Hide user on this channel. How come I can't ban them? Okay, let me make it big screen. Pin, report, remove. Up. Okay, oh, well, we have delay. Sorry about the delay, guys. Okay, so now I've got this guy, ex-girls, find love on the best dating site. I can remove. I can put user in timeout. Hide user on this channel. And add moderator. Okay, let's see if I comment. We. And then I take myself. Can I add myself as a moderator? No, I can't. Okay, well, then I guess the best I can do is push user in timeout. It's only 300 seconds. And remove. Okay. Okay. And Luigi was the one follower we had, except for the ex-girls thing. Good afternoon. Oh, the Stu Rhett, man. Stu Rhett back? He is. Okay, so now we have YouTube up as well as Twitch. Yeah, I'm supposed to be streaming on Trovo. It says streaming on Trovo. Does anyone know Trovo? Does anyone know how to find my stream on Trovo? Trovo. Good. Trovo. Great. Oh, tell friends you're streaming and check out your space now. Sync to... Okay, I don't want to do that. Go to your space. I think I can see myself on Trovo. I can. And does it say if there's any viewers? I don't think there are. Yeah, no. If you're on Trovo, say hello. Say hello. Wee! Of course, that's going to come out here too. Yep, I love this game. Okay, those are old. Say hello. Okay, good. I actually found myself on Trovo, folks. Now, we will come back to dashboard chat. Yep, there we go. That's the Trovo. I can easily jump between the two on my phone. You can come on me on YouTube as well if you want for now. Lewis Farrell, which one are you, Lewis? On YouTube is the thing. Lewd Antics. Oh, yeah, Lewd Antics. Cool. Yeah, you're Lewd Antics. Add moderator. Lewd Antics is now a moderator for your channel. Thank you, Lewis. That's awesome, man. That's fun. Yeah, I got it. I got you, man. Okay, now let's get back in this game. We got to plant a bomb, guys. Sniper is checking, but it appears we're clear. So we're going to go tab, command, Bravo. Oh, God, no.
Goodbye.
I'm dead.
Kill confirmed.
There's one more, guys. One more, and it's not good because I'm moving. Where is he? See how... Oh, my God.
Enemy down.
Z is reload. I think that was all of them. Escape. Save game, new save game. Bam. Okay. Hit the map. I think that was all of them. Probably shouldn't have brought Bravo up that... Oh, come on. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Probably should not have brought Bravo up that soon, guys. Now, I think we're safe to bring Bravo team close to the crash site. This is the way to do this, guys. Clear, 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 clear. Okay, I'm going to lay down. Oh, no!
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
There's one more fool over here. Is that his foot? I think I see a foot through the... I can't... Okay, we got to reload. We got to Z. There's one more over here, guys.
Goodbye.
Map. Guys, they're making it hard. Save game, new save game. Okay. Now I believe command map, sniper boy, you can back up a little bit and you could look this way.
We're rolling.
Alpha team, you could come up. Oh no, that was supposed to be sniper. Sniper, command map, sniper boy. You could back up and keep going. Keep looking.
Moving out.
A, you could come over here and look
Moving out.
this way.
We've arrived.
I am number 2. We're going to plant a bomb. We can switch to the bomb now.
In position.
Okay, we want to stand up. We want to run forward. And guys, you can't leave the intel, guys. They will freaking... They will reverse engineer this. Destroy the avionics, folks. Escape. Save game, new save game. Escape. Okay, we have to rescue the pilot, rescue the officer, get the extraction zone. Okay, one is in the house. One is in the barn. All right. So, so now I want to put this gun back here. Now I want to say, tab, command map. I want, okay, and yeah. I remember this whole thing, man. You could come like right here and look this way. Bravo, you could come here and look that way. I will take the sniper boy. Said see you later, boy. Guys, someone's got to take sniper boy. That will be me. We are looking for long range kills. Long range kills, folks. Sometimes when you get to this little house, you can shoot a guy in the window.
Placed and ready.
You just can only hope that the guy you're shooting is not the pilot that you're there to rescue. But you know what? Sometimes it's a risk I'm willing to take because I'm the one on this side of the gun. Should be the house is like right here, guys. Am I looking right at it? No, it's more to the left. House is like right over here somewhere. Oh, there's one. Z. Nope. X.
Goodbye.
Sisters? There's no sister? There's no window. Okay, am I remembering wrong? There he is. Ah! Z.
We got a cash.
Abort? Yes.
We've been tapped for a search and rescue. The Navy's been flying sorties against rebel positions from its carrier battle group.
Back! Load save game. Right here. Start. Okay. I would love to get this done.
We're here.
Reload that.
Moving out.
I'm on number 3, right? No, I want 3. I got my pistol out. That's hilarious. I want to go ahead and switch. Okay. They're going to be all the way over there. I'm going to get a little bit more of a flank on this situation. Maybe even a little bit of a high ground, which would be better.
In position.
Where's the house? Yeah, it's like right over here. So bad guys should come into... Now, I just had to look and see if...
In position.
Come on, man. Yeah, we're just here. M for map. Escape. Save game, new save game, because we're going to finish this right now. There we go. There's one. We kind of pre-lead him.
He's history.
No one else? Oh my God. Why? Why is it red?
Look out!
Matt. Now, should we like run up and find out where that guy is? Bravo's taking fire.
Following your lead.
Goodbye.
Okay, escape. Abort.
We've
Yes.
been tapped for a search and rescue.
We are gonna move. Well, we already have the load save game. This one. Start. Oh my God! The screen is the screen is small when I go to that. Yeah, when I go to that, the screen is small. Okay. Tab, command. Yeah, everyone's already kind of in position.
Kill confirmed.
Okay, now this is a way better view, but I still feel like I'm gonna die. Map. He's at the house. What is he, in the window or in the door or something? Window right there. Map. Oh my, help! He's on. How come I can't see him? Okay. New plan. New plan. New plan. I'm gonna take the first shot.
The Navy's been flying sorties against
I'm gonna take the first shot with the sniper,
battle group
and then we are going to switch to Alpha Team and shoot that guy in the side of the head as he approaches my sniper. Well, that's the guy. That's the guy.
Rescue. The Navy's been flying sorties against rebel positions from its
The other idea is to find him before he finds me. We got this guy now. We've just been... There's a guy that's like close in the yard. Escape. Save game, new save game. Because I want to finish this. Window. Oh, there's two houses here? Is that what's throwing me off? I'm not sure. I have no idea what window I looked in a few minutes ago, guys. This guy needs to die, and we're breaking records. Now we're breaking records, folks. Save game, new save game. Oh, that's the window right there. Okay, so that's the actual house. Okay, now, tab, command. Let's get Bravo over here. Let's get the Alpha team a little bit closer to the house, maybe in some bushes. Oh God, we got window.
Kill confirmed.
Now watch him kill my pilot, though. Watch him kill my pilot, guys. Map. Wait, nope. Oh God, was there someone on the map? Nope. Tab, command, sniper boy. Stay there and look this way.
On our way.
And weapons freaking free. You see somebody, you kill him.
Weapons free.
Okay, good. We don't need any more demo boys.
In place and ready.
Now are we heading toward anything? We are. We're bringing it. We're taking up a new angle. We're coming from a new angle. There will be guys. Oh man, dude, this is. I feel like there's people back here too. Yeah, I don't see anything else. This might be clear. Famous last words of a fool. This, oh my God, we got red. A lot of times there's a fool right here. Like literally right here. Yeah, they're in the house. Right here, maybe. I think there's someone in that room. And I think there's one straight ahead. So, we come here. Right before we open the door, we're going to save. Escape. Wait. Save game, new save game. And now we're going to open the door. Where is he? Oh God. So he's not there? Is he right here? Okay. Abort. Yes. We got this now. We got this.
Rescue.
We got this, guys.
Against rebel positions from its carrier battle group in the Black Sea.
And I have to wonder if my restream chat is. Oh wait, we got to come here and say load save game. That's the door. Start. Good. Come here. Let me see. Yep. Nope. It appears that all the chats are doing fine. They're just quiet. That's just life. Looks like you've been streaming for a while. Tell your followers you are live now. Yeah, and you can send notifications. That's pretty cool, man, on Trovo. Trovo's got the option, folks. Trovo's got the option. Okay. We just got to get back. We got to go. We got to get this. We got to get this mission done, guys. We're absolute. Oh God, I'm looking at some of the other missions. They're so pretty, guys. Don't worry. It's gonna go back to full screen right here. Okay. Yep. Here's door. Okay. Open. And then we can go like this. Uh-oh. I didn't know it was fully auto, guys.
Kill confirmed.
Escape. Save game, new save game. This is the only way to guarantee, guys. I think the game screen is frozen again. Oh. Yeah, it did. And how did we get past that last time? See, this is the problem with streaming great games like this. Let's go to Trooper Chair. Come back here. This might do it. Come on, baby. Hey. Wait. Now it's got nothing. Oh God, we got an enemy.
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
I don't know. You guys missed that. Save game, new save game. You guys missed that. Why is it not showing my okay, wait. I'll tab. This is the old game blues, folks. It's the old game blues. It's just what it is. Game capture. Goes Recon. Okay. Now if I come over here and open it up, it should say, hey, what's up? Bam. No. So what do you do? I'm out of ammo. Z. Oh no, I had ammo. Okay. So what do I do? Game capture. Do I restart the game? Dude, lewd antics, you have no idea, man. I have some really save game, new save game. Now we can try. I'm gonna try a boarding because when I go to this other screen, it makes the screen smaller. Still won't show it.
Last night, the bad guys got lucky with a single.
Alt tab. Okay. I hate making any of this a freaking Ghost Recon. See, baby. And I'm on Ghost Recon Restream page. And then if I come back to here, bang, it should pop right up. I want to finish this.
Casualties.
I want to finish this. So close. Yeah. You know what, man? We're going to finish this later. It's just time. Well, yeah. Oh, you know what happened? Yeah, exactly. The game just shut itself off anyway. Hey, man, guys, thanks for being here. Lewis, thank you so much for the help, man. You're now, there are a couple of YouTube and, what do you call it? Twitch mods from, a long time ago when I did a little bit of this restreaming to check out YouTube and Twitch. But guys, thanks for being here. Trying to get a little bit more time, hours on YouTube to monetize it. You like what you see? Go to YouTube, do the subscribe. Doesn't hurt to follow on, to like me or follow or whatever it's called on Twitch. We are streaming Facebook Gaming. I'm a partner there, and I do stream there. And I'm going to be streaming there in just a few minutes. Actually, an hour and 12 minutes. So we're going to get some food. We're going to get ready for the day. I jumped up, guys, and I just wanted to go live. And so that's what we did. I want to get a little more of this time on YouTube because YouTube saves videos. People have been watching these replays. And that is that's going to get us the time we need. You need something crazy like 4,000 watch hours in a year. At the rate I'm going, I would have like something like 300 or 400. So, but I don't post enough to YouTube, so I got to post a little bit more. Are you streaming chess later on Facebook? I am. The chess stream. Yep. Today is what day? Today's Friday, man. It's Friday weekend kickoff. Yep. I'm going to stream chess at 3 o'clock. Yeah, the chess stream's always great, man. We're going to stream chess at 3 o'clock at Facebook Gaming, Charlie Sardo Gaming. Check that out. Guys, I'm going to end this. I freaking love you guys. Thanks for being here. And Trovo, if you're watching on Trovo, follow me on Trovo. You can also catch me live. The main page is Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. But we're on Twitch. We're on YouTube. And we are... I literally stream to Twitter, guys. No one streams to Twitter except me. I'm weird. I'm saying goodbye to Trovo. I'm saying goodbye now to Twitter. Oh my. I'm saying goodbye to Twitch. Thank you, Twitch. Be sure and follow. And goodbye finally to YouTube. It's just me and YouTube. I freaking love you guys. Thanks for being here.